Bayti Real Estate are delighted to present this one-bedroom apartment in Jebel Ali Hills, currently under light renovation for the next tenant. We start with the semi-closed kitchen and a convenient guest bathroom just off the entrance. Next, you enter the spacious open-plan living and dining area that leads out to its own private balcony. The bedroom is tucked away for privacy and includes a large ensuite bathroom with a bathtub and separate walk-in shower. The bedroom has its own private balcony too. This area is a smart base for commuters or working professionals. Contact me today to arrange your viewing.